everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are learning something super useful for school exams and real life. That is notice writing. Let's break it down step by step. A notice is a formal way to share information. Here comes the format you must follow. First, name of the institute, always at the top. Second, title, notice, written in capital letter in center. Third, date on the left side below the title. Fourth, heading or subject, a short clear line about the purpose of the notice in the center. Fifth, body of the notice. Start with phrases like this is to inform. Include detail like date, time, venue, events, eligibility and instructions. Keep it precise and formal. In the end, write the name and designation. It should be clearly mentioned who is issuing the notice. And remember, notices are short, clear and straight to the point. No long stories. Let's see an example. Imagine you are the sports captain of your school. Write a notice informing students about the upcoming annual sports day. Include details such as date, venue, event, eligibility, registration procedure, and important instructions for participants. Starting with the school name. Suppose the name of the school is ABC Public School. So, write ABC Public School on the top. Then, write the title, notice in capital letter. Date will come on the left side below notice. Next comes the heading. In our example, it is written Annual Sports Day. So, we will write Annual Sports Day. For the body part, covering all the criterias, we will write this is to inform all students that the school is organizing its annual sports day on 28th February 2026 at the school playground. Various track and field events will be held. Students from class 6 to 12 are eligible to participate. Interested students must register with the sport department by 20 February 2026. For instructions, we can write participants must report in proper sports attire and follow all instructions carefully. In the last, write your name, as it is mentioned that you are the sports captain, so you will write the designation as sports captain in the left side of the notice. And that's how you write a perfect notice. Simple, structured and exam ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy learning tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.